Useful website 1. Website is www.autodraw.com. You can create freehand doodles and watch them magically transform into beautiful drawings powered by machine learning. You can use AutoDraw, manual draw, type text, fill colors, select shapes, change color, zoom in, zoom out, undo the changes, and many more. Watch how I am doing. It pairs machine learning with drawings from talented artists to help everyone create anything visual, fast. There's nothing to download, nothing to pay for. And it works anywhere: smartphone, tablet, laptop, desktop, etc. AutoDraw's suggestion tool uses the same technology used in QuickDraw to guess what you're trying to draw. Right now, it can guess hundreds of drawings, and we look forward to adding more over time. We hope AutoDraw will help make drawing and creating a little more accessible and fun for everyone. After creating your drawing, you can save it to your device. Or, you can share it with anybody by using the share link. Thank you for watching. Please write in the comment area for any queries.